Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Cougar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take multiple different type of values from user and C# Visual Studio. So to take the user input, we use the console.read or the console.readLine function to take the user input. So basically, this readLine function is used to read the user input from console in the form of a string, and it will return it back in the form of a string. What happens if we wanted to take integer value, or what happens if we wanted to take a floating point or character values? So suppose we have a string variable name equal to an empty string. Let's take the user's age, which is of type integer, age equal to 0. Then let's take a character gender equal to, by default, let's set it to M. User may enter M or F for the gender. Let's take a floating point number also. Float, say height equal to 0.0f. This is a floating point type. So let's prompt the user to enter age. Let's read line. Enter your name. So we can simply use the read line function, since it is return a string, and our left side is also of type string. We don't have a problem. Console.readLine. Let's select this two line of code, and if we press Ctrl D in Visual Studio, it's gonna duplicate the selected lines of codes. So next we are going to prompt the user to enter his age, and we wanted to store the user input in age variable. So we can see that here the compiler complains saying that this side is a string and this side is of type integer. The type doesn't match. So to make the type match, we gotta cast this type to integer. We can do it in two ways. Either we can use the end.parse method, or we can use the convert method. Let's use convert dot to integer 32. So it basically takes a string or any other type and converts it to integer. Since this is going to be a string, it converts the to int 32 is going to convert this string to integer, and the result will be stored in age variable. Let's prompt the user to enter gender. Next we have gender. Enter your gender, or we can take and store it in gender variable. So we can use convert.toChar method to convert the string to integer to character. Then let's prompt the user to enter your height. So height equal to, we can use the float.parse method to parse the string to floating point number, floating point type. So console.readLine, and let's print the value CW. Name is name. Press Ctrl D couple of times. So age is age, and gender is gender. Finally, let's print the height is height. Let's run our program. Enter your name code with Cougar. Enter your age, say 24. Enter your gender, M. Enter your height. It asks us in the new line because here we used right line instead of right. So right line will print a new line. Then we can enter our value, say 5.6. Name code with Cougar, age 24, gender M, and height 5.6. Thank you for watching, guys. This was a quick video on how to read different type of values from console and C#. Hope you guys learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe to Code with Cougar, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.